Summertime is the ideal time for excursions and outside parties along with household and close friends. And what better method to delight in the warm and comfortable weather condition than with some wonderful, refreshing fruit products? Not just are they well-balanced choices, but they also produce for terrific snack foods that can be took pleasure in by everyone. Here are some of the best fruit products for a summer month's barbecue. 1. Watermelon. Melon is a timeless summer fruit product that's perfect for outings. It's juicy, rejuvenating, and simple to reduce into bite-sized parts. Plus, it's packed with vitamins A and C, as properly as blood potassium. 2. Grapes. Grapes are an additional wonderful and easy-to-eat fruit that's excellent for excursions. They come in a variety of colors and have a high water material, which produces them especially moisturizing on warm days. 3. Strawberries.